Tweezers are your best friend when doing this. I think it actually came with a pair. I don't know where they are, but I use my tweezers. I get it started with a chain, and then the settings. Don't worry about this first one because we took that left needle out. But we need 4, 5, and 7 are my settings up here. And then my side settings, we will push this little guy all the way down to the bottom. This one to R, and this one to R. Alright, and then I like to get a little piece of practice fabric so that I don't mess up what I'm doing. And I test it out on that first, just to see how much I want to stretch or not stretch the piece of fabric. Make sure that it's all how I want it to be, just so I don't mess up my garment. It's perfect. So now we're going to do a rolled hem on the neck. Then we will also do a rolled hem. It's a very cute style, and it's really easy to finish. We will do a rolled hem on the sleeve openings here, our little bell sleeve that we created. You'll do this on both sleeves. And you can stretch. It's definitely important to stretch that neck. I didn't say that a second ago, sorry. But it's important to stretch that neck because you are going to be pulling this on through the neck, or the head's going to go through the neck, right? So you don't want it to be too tight. But depending on how wavy you want it, you can let it just stay there and pull itself through. You can pull it through a little bit if you want to. You can put tension on the other side. It's totally up to you and the desired amount you're looking for. I kind of pull just a little bit, but that's just me. So then we're going to hem the bottom. So that was the neck hole. Make sure you stretch that one because you don't want it to be too tight. The 2 sleeve openings and then the bottom. And that's all you have to do. This dress is complete. If you did want to add a size tag, I would put it in the side seam if you're doing the rolled hem. But yeah, just go back over where you started, pull it out, snip it, and let's flip this thing inside out, or right side out, I should say. And see what it looks like. This is a super cute groovy dress. Super quick to make because all you have to do is, you know, construct it and add those sleeves. There's no bands or anything like that, and no crazy hemming. The main thing that takes the longest is, you know, the rolled edge hem. But it's super cute. Super trendy. Absolutely love this. Definitely go grab it. I think it's $5 right now. The adult pattern is $5 and the kids pattern is $5. But this is what it looks like all hung up. Very cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you soon. And go ahead and check out our memberships. We're going to be revamping that and going full force into doing that. So, are you in?